Ladies and gentlemen, Keith from iRepair Autos. Today I'm going to show you how to hunt down that noisy pulley. Could be your alternator, idler tensioner, idle pulleys, maybe even your power steering pump pulley is making a lot of noise. I will show you how to find the noisy component or components and replace them quickly and easily. Don't forget, new video every Monday. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks. First things we're going to do is we're going to take off the front engine cover. Looking deeper down inside, we're going to be testing and possibly changing this pulley right here, the idler pulley down below, and we're also going to be testing and changing out this idler pulley here as well. If your brain is anything like mine, I won't remember the orientation of the belt, so I just drew a quick diagram of the orientation of the belt. So taking my 17mm socket, if I turn it counterclockwise like that, I basically let up all the pressure off of the belt, and then I can remove the belt. So step one is removing the belt. Once the pressure is removed, take the belt off. Once you've removed the serpentine belt, look at the lower left corner, you'll see your alternator, and reach down there and just turn it by hand. It should spin freely in either direction. No grimy sound, no grimy feeling to it, no crunchiness, just smooth. Go down to your, right beneath the secondary air pump is an idler pulley. Spin it. That sound that you hear, you should not hear that sound. It should be quiet. Second idler pulley right here. Spin it as well. Should be silent. This one definitely is bad. Locate your tensioner pulley and spin it by hand. It should be silent. It should be smooth. Which it is in this case. Locate your air conditioning compressor pulley. Turn that. It's not engaged, so you should be able to turn it. This pulley is definitely loud, and we'll be changing another video. Right above that is the power steering pulley. This noisy pulley right here, idler pulley, has a plastic cap. I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver to pop that cap off. Alright, using a T50 Torx 50, I'm going to remove that idler pulley. Alright, so when you're putting back on the new one, it's important that you get the right side facing the engine and the right side facing you. To do that, the side that's going to be facing the front of the car, facing you, has these little notches right there, these little bumps, little nipples, and those are then going to be covered with the cap with the bolt going through. So this has to be facing forward. The reinstallation is easy. Slide it on to the mating male side. Then taking some blue Loctite, I like to put it to the base, not all the way down inside, to the last where it's going to be, and then by hand start it so you don't cross thread anything. Turn it all the way in as far as you can turn it by hand. Once that's in place, installed and torqued down, take your cap cover and you'll press it in place and it'll snap on right over it. Alright, looking back at my diagram, I'm going to refer to the diagram while I'm putting back the belt. As always, everyone, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you find these videos helpful. Thanks and peace out.